In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AirDrop on iPhone. Alright, let's get started. I'm starting from the home screen here, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app on my iPhone. Once we're inside Settings, I'll scroll down a bit and tap on General, since AirDrop settings are located there. Now that I'm in General, I'm going to scroll until I see AirDrop and tap on it. This is where you can control how your iPhone shares files with other Apple devices nearby. At the top, you'll see a few different options. To make sharing easier for the next little while, I'm going to choose everyone for 10 minutes. This allows anyone nearby to send you files through AirDrop without needing to adjust the setting again immediately. You'll notice it only lasts for 10 minutes, so it's temporary and keeps your phone secure. Once that selected AirDrop is ready to go, you can now easily send and receive photos, documents, and other files from nearby iPhones, iPads, or Macs. You don't have to keep coming back into settings unless you want to change who can see your device or turn AirDrop off. And that's it, you've successfully turned on AirDrop on your iPhone, and now your device is ready to share files quickly and securely with other Apple devices.